just winding down for the trading session. It's been a decent set. I mean, 23,150, not at the highest point of the day, but just near about that. And the advanced decline ratio is really healthy, and that I think is the biggest talking point, given the fact that there was that acute carnage as well as the broader markets is concerned. That seems to be bottoming out. There's buying at lower levels. Today, of course, it was auto, it was IT, it was a lot of result reactions that were doing the trick. But I think apart from FMCG, Cheryl, most of the sectors were holding to the green.
Absolutely. Most of the sectors were holding on to the positive territory in trade today, given the fact that, yes, we are trying to recover from those lows. Take a look at some of the counters which have just come out with their earnings today. You have Ambuja Cements that had come out with their earnings. You had Maruti Suzuki, which is down and out in trade today. Let's talk about ITC Hotels, because that one actually listed post the demerger from ITC. So you have ITC Hotels that saw muted set of opening, and 4% downtick is where it is closing at in trade today. Deepa Fertilizer, yes, you've seen the fertilizer pack actually a pretty upbeat ahead of the budget, and 13% uptick coming for Deepa Fertilizers on back of their earnings. You also have Team Lease, Westlife Food World that have come out with their earnings in trade today. Along with that, you have Adani Power also that is actually moving on back of its earnings. But right now, as you can see, we're winding down for trade today on a positive note, and it's a healthy market breadth as well, Anisha.
Oh, well, yes, but tomorrow morning can be a different story. The Fed outcome plus, of course, what happens to a lot of earnings, all of that will be on mind of investors. But with that, we're wrapping up this edition of Closing Trades from the entire team. Thanks so much for tuning in.